Hello, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and my contribution to this year's program is Hybridizations between DIY biology and experimental media. It is a do it yourself approach to biology mixed with open source philosophy in technology and art. My practice focus on the potential of media to subvert the way we perceive the more than human others, what we call nature, and through interactive objects, sounds, and audiovisual storytelling. These hybrid media ecologies make us see the unseen, listen the listen, and imagine post-anthropocentric futures through alternative uses of biotechnology and media. See you soon.